Hey everyone, this is Eric Miller with Econologics Financial Advisors. Hey, do you know the exact tax effects of the sale of your business? If you don't, you definitely want to pay attention to this video. Okay, there is going to come a time when you are going to sell your business. And when you do make that decision, guess what? You're gonna have to pay Uncle Sam. So the tax effects of the sale of the business, this is largely going to be the biggest tax bill that you ever see in your entire life. So you better be a bit cognizant about what you're gonna have to pay in taxes. And I'd love to tell you exactly how much you're gonna pay, but it really depends upon the state that you are in. But here's what you need to know. For most of you, the sale of your business will likely be considered a capital gains tax event. What does that mean? It means that the capital gains rate tax will apply when you sell your business. Now, most of you have little to no what's called basis when you sell your business. Now, what does that mean? It basically means that the sale of the business, whatever the proceeds are, you're likely to be taxed on almost all of that. Ask your accountant for more details on that, but that is something that you'll just have to deal with as far as the sale is concerned. Okay, so how much is the capital gains tax rate going to be? Well, by and large, it's about 20% that you're going to have to pay. But it also depends greatly on the state that you are in. For example, let's take Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania, the total capital gains tax rate, 28%. Let's take Ohio, 30%. Let's take the state that I live in, Florida. It's 25%. And then, of course, the great state of California, 38% that you're gonna have to pay in tax. So you really have to pay attention to what you're going to have left over. And then, of course, you're gonna have to look and see if there's different strategies that you can utilize to help minimize your tax bite. Don't let anybody fool you. There are strategies that you can utilize to minimize the effects of capital gains tax rates on the sale of the business. You just don't have to write a check to the IRS. There are definitely strategies that you can utilize to minimize that tax bite. But I wanted to make sure that you understood what to expect. And again, it's not how much the offer is for your business, it's how much you keep at the end of the day. And I certainly want to make sure that in your largest financial transaction of your life, that you keep a majority of the proceeds for yourself. My name is Eric Miller, your best financial friend forever. I want you to go out there, create some really good financial habits, and do well. Thanks again for watching this video. I really hope it had an impact on you and can help you in some way. And if it did, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, share this. And if you want to, tell me what you want to hear from us. Like, give me a financial topic that we can talk about, that we can do in further videos. And what I really want you to do, most importantly, I want you to take some action. I want you to contact us, contact an Econologics specialist, schedule an appointment so that you can start your road towards financial improvement. It's not gonna happen by itself. You need to take some action. We're definitely here to help you. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you later.